Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video for Near Protocol. The market is collapsing. I mean, that is the title of the video, but is the future in jeopardy? We're going to try to talk about that today for Near, because zooming out the market in Near Protocol, you guys can see that massive run that started at the beginning of 2024 is gone. So will Near continue to go lower? We're going to talk about that real quick. So welcome to the channel. As always, if you guys appreciate my videos and my content, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. Tap that bell notification as well, because I want you to be one of the first ones to get this information while everyone else is rummaging, scrambling, trying to figure out where price is going to go. Here we are paying attention to Near Protocol, and you guys can see that our price prediction was already here on point, looking for the crypto to continue to decrease in value. So now let's talk. Let's go ahead and talk about this current price prediction right here, which was produced on the 31st of March. Here it is 8 days later. The market definitely went down. These buyers here in this buy pocket, they didn't hold price. They tried to hold price. You guys can see it right here that the buyers tried to hold Near Protocol on the 3rd of April, but then those sellers still came back and hit those buyers that they left. All right, so now we're at this particular pocket. Okay. Now this is important because you can see with all of this volume that came into the market yesterday in Near that something happened. Okay, more people were active into either buying or selling this cryptocurrency into the market. We're going to try to see if we could break that down to see what was what, whether more people were buying or were more people selling. But currently, if we were to get out this particular prediction right now, we will be up 17% right now in that prediction. Let's go ahead and look at the market real quick and Near on, let's go look at this on the 2 real quick. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so here it is on the 2. We have 13 more hours. Market, very small spread compared to what happened the last 2 days, but the volume is definitely there. Okay, so the volume is coming in on this 2-day price bar, but the spread isn't. So price wasn't moving over the last 2 days. When you see high amounts of volume, you're supposed to see a bigger spread, because it means that the market truly was flowing, whatever direction, high or lower. We're not getting that. So something is restricting Near Protocol from going down. And the only thing that can stop that will be people trying to buy, right? And it's not a coincidence that that is occurring right here. Okay, so we've already seen this market hit this prior low in Near on this 2-day price bar on March the 10th. So whoever bought Near in March the 10th or in or around March the 10th, they're trying to do that again. Okay, so they're getting a second chance, second opportunity to come and try to support the market in Near. Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Near on the 4. Here it is on the 5. So right now, I don't see any changes that would say, hey, it looks like these buyers are about to make a move. They're about to break out this cryptocurrency to the upside. I'm not seeing that yet, outside of what I just told you, that on the daily time frame the market looks a little bit bullish, or people are trying to buy. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Here it is on the 5. Here it is for the month right now. So now let's look at this on the 5-hour chart. Okay. So is the market in Near? So you can see where the buyers came in at. Can you? It came in right there. Okay, the volume definitely came through. Market supported, is staying elevated. It's not continuing to crash as of this recording. But the bad thing, as I look at the market now in Near, is that we're not really seeing a follow through. Yes, the market is staying stable. Yes, it's trading sideways in a range, but we're not lifting price. Price is supposed to lift when we see the market find buyers. We're supposed to see price lift. Okay, so that's something that we need to keep our eyes open, because I'm not saying that that process is over, but we need to see these buyers try to lift this market up in Near if you're trying to buy this cryptocurrency. Here it is on 330-minute chart. Okay, so right now I'm not overly bullish into the market in Near, not at all, but I'm saying that this could be at the beginning stages of us seeing Near go up. Here it is on the 1-hour chart. Okay, so you can see where these buyers are trying to insert themselves and not allow these sellers to break price lower right here. Then you have this area right here. These two areas are very important. If you're trying to buy this cryptocurrency, if you're trying to look for the market in there to go up, you want these buyers in this pocket to hold you down. You want them to have your back, to not let this market continue to go lower. Okay. Now, outside of that, hey, we got sellers here. We have sellers there. And we got sellers definitely all the way over here too. Okay. So this is just only on the intraday time frame. I'm going to get rid of this pocket there on the daily. And we're going to continue to look forward for price to go lower. But like I said, if you see yourself in profit and you think that there's a chance, like I told you, we can see price begin to go higher, take some of this off the table. Okay, take some of it off the table. You can see that a big ultimate price target is right there around $1.75. That's around 30% move lower. But I think price is trying to lift. So let's take some off. Boom, 17%. Leave a little bit on so we can try to get the rest of that 30% in the market in near. But outside of that, I don't see anything that changed that would substantiate that this market is definitely becoming more bullish. And move this one down here. All right, so yeah, I'm done. I'm not going to waste your time. Let me know what you guys think, though. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.